Hey guys, quick video for you on how you can connect your Samsung monitor to laptop. So it's super simple. You're just gonna insert the HDMI cable to your Samsung monitor, and then what you need to do is that when you're gonna have your laptop, you're just gonna connect it to the laptop, the cable, and that's it. How you're gonna do it? It's super simple. So yeah, you're gonna have the HDMI cable, you're gonna have the Samsung monitor, and then you're just gonna insert it to your laptop. So hope this video helped you. I just want to make like really quick and effective video how to do it. And have a great day and goodbye. And if you have, of course, like VGA cable and looking for to connect it to HDMI laptop, then you need to have adapter like this. And it's like super cheap.